No talk. You wanna know what grind my gears? We like to call these people emotional reactionary people. I can't stand them people. Let's talk about it. You wanna know why you struggle so much to understand people and listen to people? Well, the answer is quite simple. You tend to lash your emotion onto certain words that cause you to react first and then think later. That's what make you very reactionary, emotionally reactionary. To stop this, all you have to simply do is just take your emotions out from the word that it's attached to. Like your anger attached to the word dumb, your pride attached to the word try, this, that, and the third. Just name your emotions, please.